Hi, in our last lesson, we learned about variables creation, Java data types, and values assignment. We also learned about date and time and how to put your program on display. Now, close this file and under Java Basic, right-click and add a new class. I name it Lecture 2 Logic, and do not forget to add main method. Click Finish. Let us create another scenario. Eligibility checkpoint control. Lesson objective. There will be multiple objectives today. Learn about program logic flow. Second objective. Explore about unit code or white box testing. Third objective. Implement Java scanner class for user input. Under scenario, I'd like to add some preconditions. Precondition first. Voting age starts from 18. Second condition. Legal drinking age starts from 21. Third condition. Fully independent age starts from 25. And condition number 4. Retirement age starts from age 65. Those are our legal conditions. Let's create the program itself now. To test the program flow, to test the program logic flow, we're gonna be using so-called if statements. The logic is next. The syntax is next. If parenthesis condition, curly brackets, where you place code followed by semicolon to execute. Conditions here. Let's create a new variable. We could start with byte, however, last lecture explained use integer. Integer male age, let's say is gonna be equal 18. Now, let's execute condition. Male age if male age equals 18, and here will be correct. Now, what is the problem here? The problem here, because equal sign is a value assignment operator. However, it's not logical assignment operator. Logical equals, to equal sign, logical not equals, exclamation point, exclamations with equal sign, logical greater or equals, logical less or equals, logical and, two ampersands, logical or, two tubes, double tubes. Let's see now. Let's say logical and. Now the error is gone, and let's execute it. Expected result. Let's add another variable. And let's create another condition. How to join them? Use logical and, two ampersands. Rerun the program. Here again, double equal sign, it's logical equal. Double equal sign, logical equal. So if male age logical equal 18 and female age logically equal 18. Rerun. Expected results. Now, let's create another. I will format my code. Okay, so this is first one. However, let's say male age is 30 and female age is 25. Can they still vote? Of course, yes, because they are greater than 18. However, execute. There is nothing here. Program is terminated. Why? Because I logically assign them exactly to 18. So greater or equal, set greater or equal than 18, and female age greater or equal than 18. Rerun. Now expected output. Now, what if they are less than 18? In that case, let's implement else condition. Else curly bracket statement Let's execute it. Right now it is correct. Male is 30, female 25. Now male is 17, female would be 16. Rerun. Expected result. The program flow first in if statements check first condition. If condition is satisfactory, it executes in curly brackets block. Block of code is this one. If it's not satisfactory, it jumps down to the next condition, which is else in this case, and executed another block. Now, what if they are retired? Condition, curly brackets, enter. More or equal 65 and 65 retirement age. And let's say both are retired already. Let's clean it up and let's execute it. So why there is an error? Both still have to finish the school. I didn't set it. It's not an error. It is correct. However, I'll set it now. I'll clean it. I didn't change the age. Now, age is 18, both 18 and 18. So right now, it seems like it's supposed to fit, right? Let's check the result. It's still. It picked up the first condition. But right now, let's say age is 65. And it should fit here, right? Let's check it. However, the program still picked up first one. Why? And the answer is because once the first condition is satisfied, the program ends here. The if statement ends. The first condition was satisfied, and that's why it didn't execute second or third condition. Why? Because a developer, in this case is me, did not specify exact range here. And now I'm gonna do it. Logical AND. Less or equal less 65. Logical AND. Female age less 65. Let's check our output right now. Right now I change it properly. First condition for male. If male age more or equal starts from 18 and male age less 65, and logical AND. Second condition is this line. Female age starts from 18 and however female age less 65. Okay, so right now a program supposed to be to check this condition, okay, and execute this line of code. Clear? Rerun. Both are retired already, and this is correct. Let's test our program next. Right now, at this point, we can set as many as we want if, else if, and else conditions. However, at this point, I'd like you to show something else, nested conditions. In this first condition, we can create a subcondition. Right here, after first executed code of block, another if. If condition, curly brackets, good. If male age would be greater or equal 21, same for female, so it's gonna be another executable line of code. Both have legal age to drink. Let's execute and see else. Else without condition, curly brackets, else still not legal to drink. Let's execute this line of code. I will set age. Right now we checked the retirement age, worked fine. Right now I will set it 18, 18 and 21. So I will set it exactly at 21. Rerun your program. Expected results. Both can vote, both can drink. Both have legal age to drink. It's legal to drink. To drink. Rerun. Expected result. Now, however, I want my logic flow execute this condition and jump into this condition. So I will set less than 21, but more than 18. Male age is 20, female age is 19. Let's execute it. Still not legal to drink. Exactly the result we were expecting right now. The program flow executed this statement, checked this statement, not more or equal than age 21, and jump into this statement. Now let's create another substatement nested condition right here. If condition, curly brackets, a condition will be age 25. Then 25. Both are independent and might start a family. However, here I'm supposed to add else, curly brackets, everything else, if between 21 and 25. Fully independent and can wait, could wait. Let's check the output right now. So let's rerun it again. Age, I will set age 25. Both are age 25. Rerun it. Both still have to finish the school. 15. Sorry, 25. Program works fine. Exactly the result we were expecting. First, program goes into first if statement, checks first condition. Compound condition. It's compound condition because logical AND, compound second and compound first condition here. Checks, executes the line. Then program jumps from first under next condition. Checks more than 21, executes second line. Jumps into third if sub condition. More or equals than 25, executes next line. Now, I'll clean it and I'll try to nail this one. Let's say it's gonna be male 24, male 22, 23. Okay. Format code. Good. Else I'm supposed to go like that. Else I'm supposed to go like that. Else if. Else. Format. Better readability. Okay. Once again, male age 24, female age 23, preconditions. Rerun your program. Perfectly fine. The condition is perfectly fine. First, checks. Second condition, a nested condition, checks out. Then, third nested if conditions doesn't check out, jumps to else here and execute this statement. Exactly what we want. Now let's put 65 again. 65, 65. Rerun. Both are retired fine. Both are 16. 16, rerun. Correct. 18. 18, rerun. Correct. 21. Correct. And let's say 35. 31. Absolutely correct. Now, next thing, what I would like to show you. If else, and else. I prefer this style. Okay, now, next thing. We input our values manually. However, we can take them from user input. And how to do it? Create another variable. I will add a new scanner class. Import scanner from Java utilities package. Import. Scanner is imported from Java utilities package right here. Next. New scanner. Scanner. Execute, and here system in. In as input stream. What is scanner object? Java utility scanner, a simple text scanner which can parse primitive types and string using regular expressions. Now next. Integer male. Integer male takes value from scanner data type user input variable and text and check this one, next integer. Because we declared our male age as integer, so scanner data type user input variable brings in next integer, this method. Here I have to declare something. Type. Enter male age. Now I will copy paste it. Female age. And I'll create female age and female age, integer female age from user input next integer. So far I'll copy it. I'll comment it. And I will add explanation. Input Java scanner class for user input. That's exactly our objective number 3 here. Let's try and run it. Everything seems fine. So far is not been used yet. So let's do it. I will bring it up a little bit. Rerun. Enter male age. I set 25. Enter female age. I say 25, same. And here we go. Both 3 expected outputs, expected results. Now rerun again. Enter male age. 24. Enter female age. 23. Exactly correct result. Rerun again. male age 21, female age 21 same. You can vote. It is legal for both to drink, however, both are still not fully independent and can wait. Absolutely correct. Now, rerun. "18, female 18, both can vote, still not legal to drink." Why didn't execute third line? Because of the program logic flow. First line was result was satisfactory. Here it jumps less than 18 because I declared both are age of 18 here. So it checks the first if statement, not satisfactory, and it goes into this statement. This statement. It didn't satisfactory. It goes from this if to this else directly. It's not satisfactory condition. The program jumps in right here and execute this statement. That's why. And this is correct. Now let's clear. Re-execute. I want to check 65, 65, 65, correct. And finally, less than 18. 16, 16, both still have to finish the school. Very good output as expected. To sum up, what did we learn today? Today we learn eligibility, checkpoint control. Today we learn about if statements, if, else statements. We learned about conditions or compound conditions. We learn about nested conditions, and it could be as many nested conditions as you want. Also, we learned about how to embed or implement Java Scanner class to utilize user input. Once again, I'll run over. Text scanner to parse primitive types and strings using regular expressions. We assigned this user input variable. We assigned it to integer. We scanned a next integer for male and for female. And we did exactly as we wanted. Also, we learned about program logic flow. We explored unit code or white box testing, means you can see your own code. And we implemented, like I said, Java Scanner class. Very good output once again. I will rerun it again. And we're gonna end it. 40, 35. Very good result. See you in the next lecture.